Yo, welcome to No Comp. No competition, no comparison, better every day. We're on week 5, day 3 of my 12-week challenge to get myself back into shape. Basically, here at this channel, what I do is I'll show you exact workouts that I'm doing, and then I'll show you progress pics. If you check my shorts, you can see my first 2 weeks, 3 weeks progress pics. And basically just try to help each other get into shape. I got my guy right here, B Creates Bodies on Instagram, helping me out with this. He normally comes and helps me a lot with my form. I appreciate you, brother, if you're watching this. 4 sets of 10 on barbell raises. I know these look easy, but they're not. They really get the caps of your shoulders and really give you a real good squeeze on everything. And it's one of those real good exercises I'm enjoying doing. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, I pretty much always used to do upper body. So throughout this challenge and throughout the next 12 weeks, what you'll be able to see is me actually doing all of the body, including legs. I don't do legs. I'm a gym bro. I don't do legs. I just go in the gym and I do chest and biceps and sometimes triceps. So if you're new here, this is your sign to get in the gym. And if you need some workouts, just make sure you come back and check out my channel. And make sure you're doing your due diligence as well. I mean, if you see me doing anything wrong, feel free to leave it in the comment section. It's an open community here. Just trying to find people that are like-minded and that are trying to reach their goals. Because you best believe in the next 7 weeks, I will reach my goals. The whole game plan was for me to drop down, I think, about 50 to 60 pounds from the start. So my whole goal is to probably get me down to about, 220. Realistically, I'm currently about 260. I think I can get it. I know 7 weeks is 7 weeks, but I believe in myself just like you should. And if I don't get it, no big deal. But I mean, it's really just about making small goals and then obtaining them. So I'm not really concerned about next week. Every week I just try to lose about a good 4 to 5 pounds and then just continue to press my way towards my end goal. I've been changing a lot of my eating habits as well. This Arnold press, this is definitely a burner. So I mean, you want to go with a moderate amount of weight and make sure that your form is right. So when you press up, get a real good squeeze in those shoulders. Don't want to really use our backs or our bicep in this exercise. So you see me failing. I like to make sure that I include some of the fails because, I mean, in the gym, you're not just going to have every single workout go exactly as planned. It's just unrealistic. And if you're doing that, then you probably don't have any gains. And I mean, that's not a diss, but if you're working out in the gym and you're not pushing yourself to your full potential, then you're going to look exactly the same. It doesn't make any sense. Some people come up to me and they talk to me about like their gym schedule and stuff. And this is not to hurt your feelings. But if you're going to the gym and you're not working hard enough, you are going to look exactly the same. This is a new exercise for me. He said it really works on the back of your shoulders. I believe it's called the delts. And it definitely targets that really well. So I like this one. We actually completed a lot of the exercise that was shown in the beginning of the video. If you need to go back and screenshot it, you can. Or you could check my community post. It's also in there as well. But this right here is definitely tough. So you start at the bottom, go up, down. That's 1. Going back up into the front is 1. That's 2. So we did a full set of 10. 4 sets of this. We did 4 sets, 10 reps. These were tough. And I mean tough. My shoulders were cooked. Look at the cook symbols. Fry me. But I mean, that's what you want to do when you go to the gym every single day. You want to go in there and push your limits and be better than you were the day before.
At the end of every day, you look yourself in the mirror and you ask yourself, did I get better today? If the answer is yes, and you do that for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, how much better are you going to be? Are you getting better every single day? That's the question. And it's just taking small steps. You don't try to get it all done in one day, in 1 week, in 1 year. It's the process of getting better every day and doing that for a period of years that then create the masterpiece.
Kobe said it best, man. You heard him. Let's get to it. Appreciate you.